There are three options for charging your vehicle's traction battery. First, with the Mode 2 charge cable on a standard maximum 8 ampere domestic socket. Charge time will be 7 hours and 30 minutes. Second, with the Mode 2 charge cable on a green up socket. Charge time will be 4 hours. Finally, the third option is to use the Mode 3 charge cable connected to a 32 ampere maximum wall box accelerated charger. You can have this wall box installed in your home by an approved installer. Go to our website if you want to choose one of our partners. You will also find this type of charger in public car parks or on the road. Charge time will be 4 hours with the standard built-in charger and 2 hours with the optional 7.4 kilowatt built-in charger. Finally, be aware that the free-to-move Charge My Car application allows you to search for compatible charging stations.